It flew that way.
Did it?
Yeah. No, it's right there. Where is it?
When it flies, we'll see the white of its feathers.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's dark out here. A chicken coop. Where's the owl? Ethan, shh. There, it's over there somewhere. It's circling our pasture. I found it. It's in the tree. I can't see it.
Hey, right there.
In the tree?
You see it?
Yeah, right there. Shine the light over there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there in the tree. Right there. Right there.
You see it? Look.
Oh, there it goes. Ooh, that flew low. And there's another one.
Hey, there's two of them. Come here. Come here. You see it? You see anything?
I see that one that you have your light on. Can you see that one? I can see it fly away. It just landed in that tree. That's... Marcus, can you go make sure all the birds are okay in there? Count them if you can. I think they're both in that tree. Oh, there it goes. There's one out in the other direction. Owls will come by and snatch up your chickens, snatch up your geese, snatch up your pets if they're not careful. It's over there somewhere now. It's okay, they're just Christmas lights. Alright, our birds are locked up and closed up. Still flying around. I hear it. Oh, my neighbor dog. Hey, quiet, Ethan. That's not nice. I hear them. I hope they leave our birds alone. I've heard two. I've heard at least two. See, that's another one.
That one's far away over there.
Yeah.
There's one up here. It's in the front now. Don't shine in my eyes.
Okay.